Hi, let's make a quick mango salsa, which is very easy to make and has all the nutrients that your body would be grateful for, and your taste buds would be very delighted. So let's start with the mangoes. So we start by first pouring the mangoes. Then we add some apples. Yes, some apples. And green bell peppers. Some red onions, really mild, because to make it even more mild, I washed it with salted water after chopping it. And some coriander. Now we squeeze our lemon juice. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Add some pink or Himalayan salt. Generous amount of black pepper. Mix it all together. And there, voila.